Sup fam, this is Sammy coming at you from Southern California and you're watching Lux Delight. So today we're gonna be making some garlicky penne brought to you by Barilla Mostaccioli. So first you're gonna need a pound of penne pasta of breadcrumbs by Springfield, 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, a ton of Parmesan, the juice from half a lemon, some lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of butter, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and 1/4 of a cup of freshly chopped parsley, 6 cloves of garlic, Next up, we're gonna shred the lemons to get some lemon zest. So we filled up a pot full of water, and then we're just gonna turn up the heat, wait till it boils, and then we're gonna add the pasta into it. So now while we wait for our water to boil for our pasta, we're gonna add butter to this pan so we can cook our garlic, and then we're just gonna let it melt and we'll be right back. Now we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's 1, 2, 3. So now we're gonna add all of our garlic in here and then wait until it's a nice gold crispy look, and then once that's done we'll know when to add the garlic to the pasta once that's boiled. You gotta keep them stirred just not to burn them. No, nice and slow, you don't have to go too fast. Make sure the heat isn't too high up, like a medium low, and just keep stirring slowly. So now the water is boiled, we're gonna take our penne pasta by Mostaccioli and we're gonna pour it in here slowly. And now we're gonna take tonsils, whatever they're called, okay. And we're just gonna slowly let the water get into the pasta, and then make sure it's all engulfed in the water. And we're just gonna let it sit there to get nice and soft. Alright, so now the garlic looks to be golden brown and crispy. So at this point we're just gonna turn off the fire and then just let it sit for a bit, and then we'll take care of our pasta in a second. So our pasta now is boiling. In a few minutes it should be ready, and then we'll just put it in a skillet and toss it, and then drain the water, and then we should be almost done. So now that the pasta is nice and soft, we're gonna turn off the fire and then take it to the strainer. Now we're gonna add the pasta to the bowl to mix all the ingredients. So we're gonna take our garlic that's nice and brown and then pour it into the pasta. Then we take our salt and red pepper flakes and then throw them in there. Then our lemon zest. Some of the breadcrumbs. And then our lemon juice. And then we're gonna mix them all up together. We're gonna add the Parmesan, all of it in. Yep. And then we're gonna mix it again with our hands. Then we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Well, whatever's left of the olive oil. And then the fresh parsley. Okay, thigh. And to top it off, add some parsley on it and around for decoration purposes. And now you're ready to eat garlicky penne. So don't forget, if you enjoyed watching, please leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment down below if you have any questions. And with that note, have a good day.
Swag, 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 swag.